Hello, dear children. I welcome everyone. Hope you all are safe at home and studying well. Children, I know you all are eagerly waiting for your social studies class. Am I right? Right. Let's begin with the new chapter. A new chapter, chapter 9, People who help us. There are many people who help us in their own ways. We are going to learn about the people who help us. Learning points in this chapter is people with a different occupations like policeman, doctor, postman, teacher, etc. How they and their work help us means what work the policeman, doctor, teacher, etc. do to help us. At home, in a family, children are dependent on their parents for their day-to-day needs. Parents are fulfilling all the needs of their children like giving education, home, clothes, food, etc. Beyond our homes, there are many people who help us in their own ways. Some of these are the postman, the fireman, the policeman, the doctor, the traffic policeman, the teacher. Children, tell me, whose picture can you see? Yes, the policeman. Do you know what work the policeman does for us? The policeman protects us from criminals and robbers. They help to recover our lost properties and keeps our locality safe and peaceful. The policeman maintains law and order. Children, tell me, whose picture can you see? Yes, the traffic policeman. Do you know what work the traffic policeman does for us? The traffic policeman controls the traffic on the roads and helps it to move smoothly. The traffic policeman's job is very tough. At fairs and festivals, he has to control the crowd and maintain law and order. Children, tell me, whose picture can you see? Yes, the postman. Do you know what work the postman does for us? The job of delivering letters and parcels and money is done by the postman. The letters and the parcels are stamped, sorted out, sent to different places, and these are then delivered by the postman at the given addresses. The postman play an important role by bringing us important messages from relatives staying at distant places. Children, tell me, whose picture can you see? Yes, the fireman. Do you know what work the fireman does for us? Whenever a fire breaks out, the fire brigade is called. Firemen reach the spot quickly with fire engines and put out the fire. Can you see a vehicle in this picture? Yes, a vehicle with ladders, water tanks and hose pipes. This vehicle is called fire engine. The fireman perform a dangerous job of putting out the fire and rescuing people trapped in the building that are on fire. Children, tell me, whose picture can you see? Yes, teacher. Teachers are the people who are most familiar to us. Do you know what work the teacher does for us? Teachers teach us to learn many things, many subjects, and make learning easy and fun. Teachers teach us the importance of being honest, punctual, and good manners. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September to show our love and respect for our teachers. Children, tell me, whose picture can you see? Yes, the doctor. Do you know what work the doctor does for us? Whenever we fall ill, we visit doctor's clinic or dispensary. The doctor prescribes medicines. The doctor gives us vaccinations to protect us from many diseases. If special care is required, we are admitted to a hospital where doctors and nurses take good care of us. A doctor treats our illness and helps us to stay healthy. There are special doctors who treat animals and take care of them. These doctors are called veterinary doctors. Children, similarly, there are a few more people who help us. Doctor and nurses, teacher, postman, farmer, tailor, goldsmith, weaver, carpenter, basket maker, cobbler, blacksmith, porter, washerman. In our daily life, we depend on other people and they in turn depend on us. Dear children, today we have completed the chapter 9, People Who Help Us. Hope you have understood all the topics. Thank you for watching the video. Meet you again with the new chapter. Till then, keep learning, keep growing and be safe.